Hello guys, kung naka-copyright ka sa Facebook, sa reels mo na ginawa, nilagyan mo siya ng music, so punta ka dito. Punta ka dito ha. Nye. Sana ba yun? Okay, dito ka. Ulitin ko ha. Dito ka sa taas pumunta. Yan. Pagkatapos, hanapin mo dito sa help and support. Yan, nakita mo yung support inbox. Pindutin mo yun. Tapos yung alerts mo, your alerts. Ayan guys, nakita nyo? Meron na akong alert, oh. O, tignan nyo. Your video, mga tawa isata, has new copyright. So, tignan natin dito. Kailangan natin itong ibura. Kasi bawal ito. Ayan. Ayan guys. See, pindutin mo yung see details. Okay. Continue. Continue pa din. Iakyat mo yan siya. Tapos continue. So, nakita nyo yung remove video. Yan. Lagyan mo siya ng tuldok. So, continue. Tapos, delete video. Yan. So, pinutin mo ang close. So, wala na. Balikan natin. Dito ka sa taas. Yan. Pindutin mo yung support inbox. Your alerts. So, no more. Wala ka ng alert. Wala na akong alert. So, nawala na rin yung video. Nakang tikbalang. Ayan. So, okay. Ayan. At saka guys, hindi pwede yung video na may watermark na TikTok. Pati iba hindi pwede kaya marami akong violation. So, okay. Tignan nyo na lang ito. So, have a nice night. Sweet dreams. Guys, good morning. Meron lang akong ipakita sa inyo. I want to share something about our story where we found it. Kung saan natin makikita. Okay? So, punta tayo dito sa aking profile. Ayan. And then, i-click mo yung about. So, okay, nakikita mo na yung details ko. Tapos, ayan. Scroll mo lang siya. O, ayan, nakikita mo yan. Tapos, add mo yung new. O, ayan. So, nakikita mo yung stories. Ayan yung mga stories ko, guys. So gusto kong makita siya lahat. Ayan, see all. Yan yung stories ko na hindi ko pa nasi-save. So, i-save ko siya ngayon. So, okay. So, i-save ko siya ngayon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay? 21, 22, 3, 4, 25, 26, 27, 28 because I stop. Ayan. So, dito ko makikita kung I have see here how many. Yan. So, okay. So, okay. Until my limitation is until 50 only. So, touch to next. And after that, I need to add the title. My collection in life. So, okay. Hindi na siya pwede. May collection na lang. So, isave na natin. Okay? Yan. Ayan, ayan na. Masave na siya. Ayan na siya. So, ayan na yung ano ko. So, nakikita ko na siya lahat. All what I have posted, I have see here, my stories, my engagement, all was here. How many views? So, like this. Okay, so thank you so much, everyone. So, this is it. So, all of this is my stories. So, okay. So, this is the latest one. So, I managed this to public. So, okay. Updated. So, this is it. I want to check some of that. I want to check if this is public. View details. Edit highlight. But I didn't know. Okay, this is public already. Did you see in the app? It's already public. So this is it. So thank you so much. Have a nice day and God bless. Bye bye. Subscribe my YouTube channel. This is Rosalie Sevilla Rose 13.